Okay, I'm gonna throw this in there. Wave high to the camera. This all came out of the truck. Yeah. Move that over there. Okay, I'm gonna strap this in real quick, then go dive in that dumpster right there. We want to fill this up. Put your screw bit back. That was the Allen key. Here's the Phillips. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So the scrapyard is closed today. It's the day after Christmas. I have a very little bit of metal stashed on the side here. I'm gonna load into my truck, and I also got 2 microwaves and a little bit more metal thrown in here. But I gotta go to the junkyard and get rid of some stuff. And I hope everybody had a great Christmas. This is what the after Christmas trash looks like. Piles and piles and piles and piles of boxes everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go get this bed empty, and then I got a whole bunch of metal in my storage unit I gotta load up. And I also have to go drop this metal off. I might come back tonight and load my truck up for tomorrow morning. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, on my way to the landfill, I was riding by and I looked over and seen a refrigerator and a shelf right here. About to take this shelf, it's all metal. The refrigerator that's coming with me too. I just got one here in my very last video, so it's gonna look like the exact same footage. This is like a bar where you hang bottles and stuff from. Take this off of here though. Throw this refrigerator on the back of the truck. Probably gotta take this to the storage unit first and then go to the landfill. Throw this away. Hopefully it's not full of a whole bunch of food. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. Ready? Nothing. Nothing. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Just this. We don't need this anyway. Duct tape fixes everything, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna throw this on here real quick. This is a hex key on most of these, a hex screw. But this part is just a Phillips. Just a Phillips, just a Phillips. Basically, I'm taking that off. The fake marble or whatever. It's probably wood, but I'm not sure. There we go. We throwing, it is wood, huh? Surprising. This is going into the dumpster, guys. If you look, these are the hex keys. I can get that off. I got bits with me. I'm gonna find what bit fits this and start pulling this guy apart. That'll do it. I'm not going to show you guys all this. I just wanted to show you what I'm starting to do. Yeah, we'll pop all these off. Okay, I'll get more footage in a little bit, guys. Working, working, working. Okay, guys, I got that taken apart and I put that refrigerator up on there. The maintenance guy gave me a microwave as well, and then here's a speaker. I'm gonna grab the speaker and throw that in, why not? Taking this to the storage unit because I don't want to drive with my tailgate. Got this drywall. It's long pieces, so it ain't just gonna fall out, but it still looks crazy and I don't want to take a risk. Working day after Christmas, New Year's special. Somebody tell Bax ATL I'm watching his channel.
I hope your hot day job day is going great. Mine did. This excavator is up there loaded.
2,100 pounds, Bax. Over a ton, man. Good stuff. Scrappers everywhere. I'm trying to watch all you guys' shows.
I gotta upload it myself. Lord.
Street scrapping down in ATL.
I feel like loading it up, but guess what? I gotta make the money. I need the money.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm at my storage unit. This is the same setup from last week. Left over from that job, and I gotta fit this in there as well. We're getting full. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna pull this out and tuck stuff back farther and then dig all these appliances, metal, everything off and put it in here somehow. I went and did a flood demo restoration, drywall, carpet, all that, the following day after my last scrap run, and it was hard work. Okay, I'm gonna take all this out and restack it like Tetris. Grinding. This all came out of the truck. 3 microwaves, there's some pots and pans, a dog cage in there. I'll probably leave the dog cage back there. Taking all this out and going to the landfill like I said earlier. And this little baby right here is an Xmas gift my wife got me. Not bad. I actually have a 2-ton, which always worked fine until I tried to change a back tire with this lift gate on there. It's too much weight, it won't lift it. So I immediately got a 3-ton right after I realized that. I thought the 2-ton would get it up, but it did not. I had a hard time dealing with it, guys. All right, keep working. Sweet. I love it. Yeah. 3-ton, guys. Not bad. Putting this in the truck right there. Okay. Gonna throw all this out. That's another thing we can. Okay guys, good morning, good morning. Going to load the truck up on a rainy day and head down to the scrap yard. Take all these car parts and these refrigerators in there. See what we get. I gotta separate some things and pack it in tight like Tetris first. But yeah, let's go take care of this now. Rainy, wet day. It's a beautiful morning. I know I just put this on here. This is what I got yesterday on the way here. I doubt all this is gonna fit, but we're gonna try very hard to make it. It's not pouring yet, but I got my raincoat ready. There's already some stuff in here. We put 2 refrigerators on the tailgate, maybe 1 right here, and then pile everything else around there. We'll make it work. Tetris, scrap Tetris, scrap Tetris. Today happens to be my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, bro. You won't see this till the weekend, but happy birthday, man. Love you, dog. I'm gonna bust these microwaves open in a minute and get the magnets out of them and the transformer. Right now, I'm just pulling the handles off of all these. It's a security bit. These are all aluminum, I believe. Yes, these are all aluminum. Probably. Nope. Aluminum as well. I'm gonna pile all these together, shove them up in the back, take these apart. I got another one up here. Whoops. Take all those apart and start loading everything in there, guys. Okay, for this microwave, if you look, it's a star key, but it's got that security like post in the center. My brother got this kit. This has the security bits with the hole missing. Usually I don't have them in my set. I've got all kinds of bits, but I don't have those exact security bits like that. But if you look, it pulls the screws right out. Okay, pick up all your screws no matter what. Pick them up or they'll end up in your tire. Somebody else's will end up in your tire. Tire karma, guys, tire karma. I'm gonna bust all these open. Microwaves have a transformer inside. And this is called a magnetron. Can you see this? There's something called beryllium in there that's toxic to you. Somebody actually told me in my YouTube comments last year about beryllium. If you breathe it in, it's bad for you. I already unscrewed. There's usually 4 screws holding these in. This thing, what's this, a capacitor? If you touch that, it can shock the heck out of you. I forget what these are called. Do not touch these oval. It jump starts electronics. It holds a charge even when it's unplugged. My brother told me that. I looked it up online and I heard somebody died messing with a microwave in their house, which is exactly what I'm messing with right now. So be extremely careful with these, guys. Caution. Gotta get this out of here. And then I'll get the magnets and show you. High radiation, high voltage. Careful under these. Magnetron LG, made in China. Okay, these are held in by 4 screws. They're hard to get through. I had to move this out of the way. But yeah, magnetron transformer. Some of these are half copper, half aluminum windings. Grind them and make sure first. Try to put this back together just so it fits in the truck better. There we go. That's ready. security screws too. I'm gonna do this to all three. This purple stuff, that's the beryllium on both sides. If you crush this, I heard it's really super dangerous. Cut these little copper wires off at the end, and there's your magnets. 1, 2. Every microwave has 2 of these in there. You can sell 10 of these magnets on eBay. They're very strong for roughly $50. So every 5 microwaves, you could pull the magnets and have a lot of 10 to put on eBay. A wall of refrigerators. I'm starting to pack everything in there, guys. I'm getting it real tight in there. I got a whole bunch more stuff to pull out. There's a stove back there I forgot about as well. Pull all that out and try to pack it in there. I might be able to do the stove, fridge, and then all the car stuff up there, but might not have enough room. Okay, I'm putting this stove up in here. There's my 2 rims and 2 batteries I had. I'm gonna put this stove on top of this so the wheel well and the the rim is the same height. I got some rotors to fill it up. The rain started coming down on me. I got the raincoat on. Still playing scrap Tetris, guys. Got all these car parts ready to get put up in there. I'm gonna put it behind that stove. And then I gotta put all these mufflers and stuff on top before I put the refrigerators in there. And after that, I should be pretty good. And this car door, that has to go as well. Woo! It's pouring. It's pouring. I got a very, very packed truck. Got everything Tetris sandwiched in there really good. It's time to take a ride. Sheesh. Let's do it. It's wet. Okay, guys. YouTube. We are approaching the scrap yard in the pouring down rain. It's time to go get on these scales. $81, that's good. We're pushing around a ton of weight. Okay, let's go throw this out, guys. Let's throw this off. Chainsaw. Okay, I'm gonna keep emptying this out, guys, and get more footage when I go to the knob first. What about typewriter? 6380. We're probably around 1,800 pounds, I would guess. And then I got some aluminum in the back, some batteries, a little bit of copper, stuff like that. Go grab my ticket, and then we're going to non-ferrous, guys. We are looking at 1,740 pounds scrappers. Not a bad run. It's a beautiful day in scrap land. Real quick, scrappers. 1,740 pounds at 10 cents. We will take it. Now we move to non-ferrous land, like Salvaging in AZ always says. Show off what we got for non-ferrous. In the rain, dancing in the rain, everybody. Little bit of aluminum. This is brass and the good house wire. A little bit of copper, the batteries, the aluminum slid, and another battery back there. This isn't very much. We might make it to 200, everybody. The forbidden non-ferrous footage. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. There's the cubes of aluminum, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, $174, 0 cents for the steel weight, and the non-ferrous wasn't bad. 11 in units, 1 copper was 15, the 2 car batteries were $8, house wire was 5, brass was 6, stainless was 48 cents, aluminum was 4, $12 for that rim. Let's see here, 10 for the old aluminum, for a total of $80.74, equaled a bunch of candy. Candy. 100, 220, 40, 51, 2, 3, 4. $254. Not bad. On to the next one, YouTube. And it's not supposed to rain tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching me. YouTube. I am out in the countryside on the way to Jarrettsville, Maryland, to pick up a riding lawnmower, basketball hoop, some chase lounges, a little bit more metal. I'll be there in roughly 10 minutes. I've been driving like 25 minutes. It's a pretty far ride. Welcome to Harford County. Just crossed over. Yeah, we in the country. There's deer crossing signs. We'll be there shortly. Let's go get some footage, guys. It's a beautiful morning. It's not real fast, guys. I've been here talking to the homeowner. Loaded this lawnmower up. He said the deck broke. It needs welded and all kinds of stuff's wrong with the battery. This and these 2 chairs. I'm gonna clean up these little bit of stuff, but all in all, almost finished. That was pretty successful pickup. I'm gonna strap these chairs down as well. And then we're heading back to the county. I'm trying to get some more weight on here. I stopped the apartments and got a little bit more metal. This is basically nothing. There is metal on it, but it'll probably be a headache to get it out. Some pans, I'm gonna throw them in there. Just getting more weight, basically. Go to another side. Okay, scrappers, just to add weight. Cutting this cart, I already cut the bottom too. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in there. Wave high to the camera. Okay. Still not enough weight for me, but I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Feeling good like we should. It's almost New Year's. Got a chair base, a chair, a monitor. 2 bed frames are all the way up there. Popping the bottom off of this chair real fast. Steel weight, steel weight, steel weight. Steel weight, steel weight, steel weight. Put your screw bit back. That was the Allen key. Here's the Phillips. On to the next one. The maintenance dude threw me a little bit of metal off the porch. I'm gonna get it and throw it in the truck. More weight. Okay, so this is like a hammock swing that goes inside of a house. Base, it's pretty heavy. And then the chair part's up here, it's got fabric on it. I'm gonna cut it off. Yeah, this thing's pretty heavy. There's metal in there, I'm gonna cut it and throw it on the truck as well. And then we're looking good. Not a bad load. We only stopped at 2 neighborhoods real fast. Not bad at all, guys. I grabbed one little TV a minute ago, and here's another one. There's a very little bit of metal thrown in here too, but I'm taking it all, piling it all in here. There's a very small shopping cart up there along that shed next to that building. I might grab that and throw that in here somewhere just for the steel weight, guys. Okay, that's the TV. This chair might be metal. I think the frame itself is. Technically, you could call it a Christmas tree. It might take this chair. Cut the back and the center off of this chair just so that it's more metal and less plastic. 2 more monitors. That's 4 monitors in like 10 minutes. And 2 flat screen TVs. Cut the cords off, load all this up, get that small shopping cart over there. I stopped at one more apartment. There's a stove. So, I got so much stuff on the back here. All this is loose. I'm gonna have to throw all this towards the front, then put the stove on the tailgate, strap it up real good. Take a look and see what's in this dumpster. Not much metal. There's a little bit. There's a sink with some brass. There's a few pieces of metal in here. I'm going to get all of it, guys. Patience, I gotta rearrange a few things. I'm gonna put this stove on that side to stop all that small stuff from falling when I strap it. This is just sitting here. I'm gonna have to strap that as well. We walk in the stove. You can take your time and pull all these little brass pieces off and cut these aluminum hoses as well. It does add up if you do it long enough. Going on up. Okay. I'm gonna strap this in real quick, then go dive in that dumpster right there. Okay, so I'm inside of this dumpster. Plumber's brass, a fan, a little bit more stuff, a dishwasher that's plastic, had a roll copper on the back. I'm gonna get that, and then up there is a sink with brass and copper on it as well. Probably pull these racks out of this plastic dishwasher. But yeah, we almost got a nice load. Trying to get my way up there. There's all these cabinets everywhere. Okay guys, a little bit of caveman method. We got the plumber's brass, fake fireplace. I'm gonna come grab that as well. quick recap. Some brass, a little bit of copper, some more brass. We'll cut that up, squeeze it all in here good, and then take it to the yard. It's almost New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year. The final trip for 2023.
Then turn right onto Flood Road.
The magnet, guys. $7,200. We're looking at around 1,000, maybe 1,100 pounds. I already started throwing a whole bunch of stuff off. Forgot all about recording. But yeah. Throwing everything we can off, guys. The rest of this off and then get more footage when I get the ticket. Bye bye, Mr. Scrappy. He said he's going to keep the steering wheel and take the battery out. Thank you, bro. 7220, I believe, or 7200. 61. Looking at 1,100 pounds at 10 cents a pound, roughly. Okay. Arr. We'll go get the ticket and get paid, guys, and then we're out of here. Plus, I got paid for the lawnmower removal, so it's a pretty successful day. Thank you very much, sir. Exactly 1,100 pounds. YouTube scrappers. Empty bed, not bad. There's the magnet. Some of these guys probably get mad at me recording, but they don't know I'm just making a scrap video. I'm not trying to like put them on camera. Going to get paid. Look at that pink truck, guys. Right here's where we get paid. Everybody knows that. We're not doing non-fares. Let's get this money. Okay, YouTube. Look at that Christmas tree on the corner. Harford and Wise Avenue from everybody from Baltimore that knows Dundalk area. That was pretty simple, guys. 1,100 pounds at 10 cents. 110 $1. And a whole bunch of candy as usual. On to the next one, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you guys next year, YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. The channel is growing. We're almost at 1,050 subscribers. was 600 at the beginning of the summertime, I believe. Yeah, like the end of May, it was at 600, and I was very happy to have 600. Now we're aiming at 5,000. See you in 2024. It's gonna be an amazing year, guys. The power of positivity. Everything must go.